See, I literally woke up to the chirping of birds today and just look at this amazing weather. It rained the entire night and now everything looks so fresh and clean, totally spick and span. These days there are not too many flowers, some have already shed, but look at the weather. And this one, it still has tiny droplets of water on its petal from the rain. Isn't it just so beautiful? So soothing to the eyes, right? Most of the white roses have fallen off, but a few are still standing tall. And oh, the yellow flowers, they are so cheerful and full of life. They really lift your mood up, don't they? Everywhere you look, lush greenery, everything is just so alive. And those clouds, what a breathtaking sight. And look at these tiny droplets on the wire. Isn't it beautiful? I honestly don't even want to shake it off. It's just hanging there so perfectly. And here is another beautiful scene, something I've honestly never noticed before. I just spotted this plant and wow, it's stunning. That's why it's so important to slow down sometimes and really observe the little things around you. Isn't it beautiful? It looks just like a natural garland. You could easily use it to decorate a corner or a doorway, but I would not want to pluck it. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to Sunita's English Adventure. And if you are new here, I'm Sunita, and welcome to my English vlog. So, we are all dressed up, we have taken the shower, and now we are at our duty because this is a special day for Uttarakhand. We have Harela festival today. Have you heard of it? No. So I'm going to take you on a cultural ride today, and this is going to be very special. And you are also in for treat. And the literal meaning of Harela is greenery. That's why I am dressed in green today. So it is celebrated in mid-July, exactly when the monsoon begins, but this time monsoon began a way earlier. But you can see this festival is a symbol of greenery, and you will get to see lush greenery everywhere, like you can see right behind me, right? This festival is celebrated with all pomp and show in Kumaoni culture because we have two dialects here, Kumaoni and Gadwali. So today I'm going to show you how do we celebrate Harela in Gadwali culture.
Kheer. This is kheer. लोग बोलेंगे ऐसे ढाके तुम्हारे हाथ की
And look at this. These are homegrown organic potatoes and we are grating them for making fritters. The best part is we don't even need to peel them. The skin is so soft and tender, it actually adds to the taste. So yes, we are getting everything ready for some delicious homemade potato fritters. Festivals bring a whole different kind of vibe, don't they? There is this unique energy in the air, and everything just feels so joyful and alive. And on festivals like today, we prepare a variety of dishes, lots of delicious delicacies. We have decided to make puris, and I am just about to knead the dough for that. At the same time, Dolly is mixing everything together to prepare the batter for fritters. And here we go, fresh, hot fritters straight out of the oil and into the basket. Look how crispy and tempting they look. We don't usually make fritters every day, but on festivals or special occasions, it's a must. It's that once in a while treat that makes the day feel even more special. So we are done with the rice pudding. And here is halwa. It's in process and what an aroma, just heavenly. And my appetite has worked up. I feel like having it all at once, and you are also welcome to have a treat at our home.
Yes, so very hot oil and पकौड़ी हमारी गढ़वाली भाषा में बोलते हैं इसको पकौड़ी. It looks very nice and yum yummy. Yeah, please come have pakodi and very sweet and namkeen. Yeah, salty.
So suji has turned round, and now we're going to add some sugar to it.
घटा लो।
Oh,
शुगर प्लीज।
1,
यस
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
बस।
Okay.
यहाँ यूट्यूब।
Mix, mix, mix.
यस मिक्स।
So we'll mix it all together nicely.
एंड हॉट वाटर।
After that, once it is done, mixed well, then we have to add hot
Hot?
boiling water.
बॉइलिंग। या
Right?
माई ऑयल इज
So we are almost
ऑलवेज
done.
बॉइलिंग ऑयल।
We are almost done. It's just we have to start with puris as well now.
Yes, yes,
Come
yes.
on, get back to work.
या फास्ट फास्ट।
So we are in the last stage of today's program. So we have started with puris and it is not going to end anytime soon. We have to make a lot of puris for distributing as well, for having ourselves, and yes, that's why we need to make at least 100 puris.
नो
How many?
60।
At least 60 puris we have to make.
और अभी हम जा रहे हैं पूजा करने के लिए पुराने घर पे, और तन्नू भी साथ में है। ये तन्नू पता नहीं क्या ही ला रही है, क्या है ये बता थोड़ा इसके बारे में, विशेषता बता रहे।
चलना बजा।
ये पता नहीं क्या ला रही है। छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी कहाँ पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं। संगीता दीदी अपनी गाय की बाल्टी लेके जा रही है गौशाला, और तन्नू ने यहाँ पे पकड़ा है, किसका है रे ये? म्यो का क्या है, टहनी। तो ये एक प्रकार का फल है। सो ये है हमारा पुराना घर, और यहाँ पे हमारे जो इष्ट देवता रहते हैं, और यहाँ पे दिखाऊंगी मैं, देखो खोई का गणेशा एक सॉन्ग होता है दोस्तों, तो वही है खोई का गणेशा है। और यहाँ पे तो यहाँ देखो आलू भी रखे हुए हैं ताई जी लोगों ने। अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ घर को, और भगवान जी को प्रसाद लगा लिया है, और अब भोग तो भगवान जी का भी हो ही गया है, तो अब हमारा खाना पीना होगा जो भी है।
And when finally you sit to eat after all the sharing and blessings, the food feels so soulful. With sip of tea. God, standing in the kitchen for more than 2 hours is not an easy task. My legs are sore. I'm feeling so exhausted. Traditional kitchens were nice, like you can simply sit and cook meals, have your meals there itself, and it doesn't take toll on your physical health, right? And you can work all day long when you work like this, where you need not to stand for long hours, or you need not to keep working. Like you don't feel like you're working when you simply work in a traditional kitchen. I mean, while sitting, you must have seen that. क्या कर रहे हो मैडम? सफाई कर रहे हो, क्यों? घास के लिए? अरे रहने दो ना, गंदा क्या हो रहा है? गंदा ही रहने दो। सफाई अच्छी लगती है क्या आपको? अच्छा हाँ, तभी आप सबका सफाया कर देते हो ना। आपको सफाई बहुत पसंद है, तो आप सबका सफाया कर देते हो। इतनी अच्छी सोल्टी कहाँ से लाए आप?
ये हमारी जेठानी जी ने हमें गिफ्ट दे रखी।
ओ, सुधारने के लिए।
ये गिफ्ट पे मिली है ना।
हाँ, चाचा जी हरेला की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। आप आज हरे हरे बने हुए हो।
आजकल हरे ही का मौसम है, सब चीज
हरियाली चारों तरफ। किसको वोट दे रहे हैं आप इस बार?
इस बार देखेंगे हम किसको देते
बाबा
हैं।
देखो तो
हैं?
बताते नहीं है।
ना बताते नहीं वोट के बारे
हाँ
में।
सही बात है। कांच के गिलास को देना है वोट। कांच के गिलास।
कांच के गिलास।
हाँ
बिल्कुल सही बोला अभी। पड़ोस में नहीं देंगे तो खा देंगे।
सही बात है, सही बात है। चलो ठीक है। आओ प्रसाद खाने।
हमने मोबाइल में कैद कर दिया।
अरे आओ प्रसाद खाने आओ। पहली बार हमको कोई मिला है खिलाने के लिए। चलो 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 चलिए आइए। पहली बार कोई मिल गया हमको प्रसाद खिलाने के लिए।
पहली बार चाचा कंटेंट मिल गया यहाँ दीदी को। बहुत अच्छे वाले वो भी।
आओ चाचा जी आओ। My mother-in-law is all set to distribute the parcels to the nearby families. Okay, bye. Here is our चाचा जी enjoying the treat. चाचा जी नमस्ते करो।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
कैसा लगा
बहुत अच्छा
प्रसाद?
लगा है।
बढ़िया।
चुनाव को थोड़ा आगे दिखा दिया।
अब आपको वोट देना है। ये साइकिल अंदर क्यों लाए? लाऊंगा लाऊंगा। ओके आपने खा लिया प्रसाद खा लिया? कहाँ थे आप तब से? हाँ कहाँ घूम रहे थे आप तब से? खेला था। Say happy Harela to everyone. Happy Harela. Where is your भैया? कहीं नहीं? He's nowhere? No. Where do you want to take this cycle? Uthar. Okay. So Rudu is one of them who can understand English but cannot speak. So along with festival vibes, there is one more thing that is going on in full swing these days. Elections. Election season is going on and the atmosphere is buzzing. The voting day is on 24th of this month, 24th July, and people everywhere are talking about candidates, election campaigns, preparations. So tomorrow we will also be going out village to village, meeting people, asking for votes. Why? Because this time my husband is also standing in the elections and he is contesting for the post of Kshetra Panchayat Sadasya, which in English means Block Development Council Representative. It's a big responsibility and we are really hopeful. So in tomorrow's vlog, I'm going to take you along with me and you'll get to see how it's like campaigning in the hills and to meet people and everything. So Harela preparation on one side and elections on the other. So there is a lot of crazy stuff coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, hit the like button as well. We'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care and enjoy watching vlogs. Thank you so much for watching.